Alright guys, good morning. Welcome to the first full day in Ireland. Start my day with a plate, a protein ball, and a coffee. Alright guys, just had a bite. It's very good. Cheap it. There's a big archway that leads over to the other side of the cathedral. So, pretty neat. It spans 2 city blocks. Coming, babe? Yeah. I think this arch is one of the coolest features of this place. Alright, now we're in the downstairs area. It's kind of like this carved out kind of basement-like feel with kind of these like brick pillars. It's very interesting. There's some tombs and things down here. It's pretty cool. It's definitely, this section is very different. The detail on the plates and cups is really impressive. Like the gilding on the, is that what it's called? Gilding? On the corner. And then that one had the Last Supper imprinted on it. That's pretty sweet. Guys, so there's a cat that chased a rat into an organ. They died and then they became mummified within the organ. And now they're just long-term residents here at the cathedral.
That's actually insane.
RIP.
Insane. It still has its whiskers.
Poor little dude. Well, that was fun. I'm glad we went in. That was something different. I'm actually really glad we went in because it was incredibly different, especially downstairs from the cathedrals we went into. And it was also different. Its ceilings were not as tall as the ones in Paris and in Rome and Barcelona. But it was very interesting. I enjoyed going in. I enjoyed seeing some of the stuff. The cat at the end was fucking insane. Ooh, I didn't mean to cuss. Not the place to be cussing. I apologize. I repent. I didn't mean to. But yeah, that was a little bit nutty.
That's actually.
Alright, we're gonna go grab some food because we gotta get some food in our bellies before we drink Guinness.
I got myself a breakfast bowl.
The bowl is massive. Got some protein pancakes.
Beautiful protein pancakes and then
eggs,
some
black pudding. Alright guys, we're at the Guinness in Dublin. We're at the storehouse, about to do the tour. Comes highly recommended by all the locals we talked to, so I'm pretty excited about that. Ava's gonna drink an entire pint, just in case she's drinking 4. Just leave here stumbling and with a belly full of beer. Really good. I'm really excited though. Focus up here. There we go. The horses are cool. I was thinking about getting a horseback ride, but after the bicycle ride in Paris, I'm skeptical. You know, I have my concerns, but I think it might actually be good. Might be worth it. Yeah, we might have to get some Guinness gear.
I kind of want a sweatshirt. They're pretty cool.
I'd be down to get a Guinness. Oh, sheesh, it's loud in here. There's a waterfall in this bitch. You heard me. Alright, made it through walking with the crowd. Got my drink voucher. Mostly I'm just excited to get like the tour. Just, you know what I'm saying? Get some information. Alright guys, this is where you kind of see, this is where they show you how they roast the barley and how far it gets roasted. 232 degrees just to get that nice dark barley. And you hear the overhead voice talking. Guinness yeast is famous because it performs at various nightclubs and gets a lot of attention before they add it into the beer. So Yeah, something you probably didn't know. That's why it's famous. So this is actually really cool. This is one of the coolest things I've seen so far at the Guinness tour. This is the tools that they used to use to make the barrels, and they have a little film showing you the process of making a barrel from scratch out of wood, and it's actually very, very fascinating. And the tools they used to use, it's damn impressive. They used to use these types of tools to make fucking boats back in the day, ships and stuff. Crazy. Imagine like fully wood construction. It's kind of mind-blowing. Sheesh. This is a fun little tour. I would recommend it. It's pretty cheap too. It's like 30 bucks a head. You're gonna come in, wander around, read about the history. It's not really guided, so you gotta just kind of wander around. It's good. I like it. The learning about coopering was pretty sick. That's the process of making the barrels. I thought that was the neatest thing on the tour so far, honestly, was the barrel making. Just the fact that like back in the day, people used to make boats. I should put my light on because it's dark in here, but people used to make boats, kegs, barrels, everything out of wood, and it was watertight. And it would last for a super long time. I just find it impressive. Beep. This room smells like beer. It's because they're giving off the
aroma.
It's a vent.
It smells like a house party.
It smells like a pub. Cheers, babe.
I want to get a little cheers thing really fast.
That's a whole pint to Ava.
It is.
That's an Ava-sized pint. Alright guys, that concludes our tour of the Guinness building. That was fun, got some beer. I would highly recommend the Guinness tour. The Jameson tour might be tomorrow, I don't know, we might have to. But it's been a lot of fun. Got some really good t-shirts too, the merch. Yeah,
got the merch.
Got the goods. Okay, okay.
I'm always in it for the little gift shops.
Yeah.
I love gift shops.
Alright guys, so we found the Dublin Castle. It's literally like a block away from that cathedral we went to earlier. It's actually tucked in there, but it's already closed for the day to get in. Imagine how fun it'd be to come knock doors here. I feel like I would actually do really well selling here. The people are so nice. I like that, that's cool. Hey babe, you getting in or what?
Oh yeah.
It smells so nice out here. Like it's just, I mean guys, look, it's like farmland. It's like horses, rolling green pastures. It's fucking beautiful. So anyways, I will see you guys when we get going to dinner. Peace.
All right. Hi.
Hey, what's up? So
We're at our anniversary dinner.
and
We're back at the Indian restaurant because it's freaking
It's the
amazing.
best we've ever been to.
Yeah.
It's so good. It's in Rush.
You get Indian chips and salsa
Rush,
basically.
Ireland.
So good. It's called Haldi,
15 out of 10. It's so good.
for sure. Here we go. So I went across this little bridge that someone made. What are you gonna do, Beeb?
I'm gonna try to jump it, but I don't know.